Hi all, welcome for the analysis session. I'm sorry I'm not able to conduct this live this weekend. Okay, so we'll be doing a quick review on the indices and the stocks, and I'll send it across to you. You can see the same on YouTube channel, and we'll also upload it on Facebook. Right, so let's start with Nifty. So Nifty, if you look at, has bounced almost from the lower band and from the support of 11,200, 11,100 precisely, and from that level right now it is on daily. It has come to around 20 MA, but the only resistance we can see right now is it is below 60, and this can be some way of stopper on daily. Weekly has got a hammer-like candle at support as well as at 60 support. So this can be critical. If this has to go higher, then this hammer will play a crucial role, and we might see Nifty going up again in this week because we might retest the 11,800 levels. So this is going to be the support point for Nifty for now. Okay, so 11,200, 11,100. These are the levels of support that we have right now. Okay, so this is what weekly shows to us, and monthly is okay. It's a doji at around 20 MA and still below 60, but that's been since many months. So this is where Nifty is, right? So let us quickly have a write on it. Okay, so Nifty daily, um, doji at MA20, okay, and weekly hammer at 60 support, and monthly I will say is neutral. It's a doji. Okay, now let's see support levels. Support lies at 11,200, 11 uh, 11,000, and then 10,800. Okay, and resistance is going to be, there is a gap here, so this needs to be closed now. So around 11 um, 550. Okay, and then it can be 11,650, and finally will be 11,800. So these are going to be the levels on our Nifty. Let's quickly look at Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is below um, 20 there is a gap here which has been resisted. Okay, so this gap it has been resisted. So about 22 600 or 22 700, we might see it coming till almost 23 300, 23 500. So this is going to be the resistance, and this is also another resistance. So we need a gap close of this about 22 700, then only we might see it moving to 23 200 or 23 300. Right, so this is the range in which Bank Nifty you might see. Uh, it's not a hammer, but it's again a candle which is showing some pullback at a level around 20 to 100. So that is acting as support right now. So this is what it is, but it's a bearish candle anyways, and if this breaks, we might see it coming to almost 21 300. Right, so this can be another stop of Bank Nifty, and we might be seeing it coming at 40 support as well. Okay, and even monthly it's coming for 40 support. So this can be the month where we might see some movement still downside, and monthly might come for the first bullish range shift, or maybe 40 support. So that is where Bank Nifty is. Okay, so the support level after this is, so this is 20 to 100. It itself is a support which is active right now, 21 800, and then probably 21 400 or 21 450. All right, so these are going to be support. Resistance we know is 22 700. Then it's going to be 23 200. Okay, but maybe 22 200, we can directly say 22 300 and 22 600. Right, so this can be the resistances. So 23 6, 23 3, and 22 700. Right, bank nifty we can say series of dojis. Okay, daily daily series of doji. Okay, at gap resistance. This is very important. Okay, weekly you can say bearish candle and monthly as well bearish candle in making because month is still not over. Okay, uh, support we saw 20 to 100 acting as very good support. Okay, then comes 21 800 and then comes 21 450. Okay, and resistance levels are very clear. We know 22 750. Okay, 23 300 and 23 600. So these are the levels which we need to cross, and these are the support levels for now. So probably we can expect the expiry around this to this. So this can be the range of expiry as well. Okay, so now let's look at the IP, FEIP. So Nifty IT is a breakout, okay, but still at the all-time high resistance. Okay, so we need it to move up. So it's a breakout on the Bollinger Band, and we have got the band walk started, right? So that is what it is, and we saw TC is making a new high, and that's the start of the flag. Okay, that's the start of the flag now. Okay, so IT stocks might rally, and as well as all time frames above 60, right? So again a golden sector. Okay, so let me just copy what I had out here for Nifty. Maybe squeeze weekly flag setup and golden sector. Okay, squeeze you can say now breakout. Okay, weekly flag setup. Uh, initiated, initiated second pole and monthly doji at upper bending and now anymore. Okay, and monthly band walk. Okay, so right now monthly is doing band walk and golden sector. Let's look at the other sectors. So now what we see is we have seen Nifty Infra. So let me give you a quick view on that. So daily is right now at 20 MA resistance, doji at 20 MA, and this is a doji or a hammer-like candle at around 60. You can say. So similar to Nifty, we have Nifty Infra, and monthly also has got a doji like a candle on 20 MA support. So it is teaching support out here, right? So infra is looking good. Let's see the other sector. So FMCG is first. Let us see FMCG. So FMCG last week was at that lower band and 40 support from where it has bounced, right? So this is a good bounce out here. Even weekly is taken a support and a doji after two black candles on weekly. We have seen a doji as a reversal signal here at support. The only issue is we have weekly RSI below 60. Okay, and let's see monthly. Monthly is also around 60 and resisting. Okay, so weekly he's got little bit bullish on the candlestick, but still not on RSI, and daily has bounced from 60. Okay, so this is where we see FMCG. Okay, so mainly I think all time frames are near to some of the other. Okay, so daily took 40 support. Okay, and monthly at 60 resistance. Okay, so this is what the sector is. We'll have to watch very uh, keenly for a long trade because high time frames are at 60 or resisting 60. Okay, um, weekly doji at support two candles. Okay, so RSI does not give us any entry, but let's see if the doji gives us an entry. Okay, let's see Nifty Pharma. Nifty Pharma. The Nifty Pharma again has got a doji on daily at 20 MA resistance. Weekly, so here is the side. So weekly gives you, a doji at support. Okay, so it's a doji at support, and monthly is trying to rise and do a band here. Okay, so let's see. In this particular sector, I think what the view, big and small range. Weekly hammer at that I think that was last week and last to last week. Sorry. So let me just write here what now daily is. Okay. Daily actually bounced from 40 to 40 support almost. Okay. And daily doji at 20 resistance. Weekly doji at support. Okay. And monthly about 60. Let's see Nifty Auto. Okay, so Nifty Auto shows some resistance here. That's why Maruti had got some beating as well. Okay, so you can very clearly see it's been resisting 60 after been breaking 60. Okay, so after a very good ride, it's now having some sort of bearish range shift out here. And though VT is having small candles and at support. Okay, so it's looking good on VT. Okay, so we might see some bounce to this level. And this is neutral. Okay, as far as this is neutral, we are fine. We need it to cross. So 8300, 8500 is the levels also for weekly, and we might see this getting touched. So auto still looks good for me. Okay, so uh, okay, daily doji at 60 resistance. Weekly about 60 and at support. Okay, monthly neutral. Okay, so we are good overall. Neutral का spreading में ऊपर ही निकल गया. Okay, so now let's see फटाफट stocks भी देख लेते हैं. Okay, so let's see Ultra Cam. We had a view that it might come to little higher level, but आया नहीं है, ये move नहीं हुआ. But there seems to be gap resistance here, so we need a gap pretty close about 39.65. Then only you should be buying this. This is a good hammer at 20 ms support, and if this crosses, we might see this levels. It will take some weeks with weekly and monthly is a doji. So doji at around support. Look at this. Okay, so monthly is at support. So let's see what it does from here. Okay, weekly has a very good setup. Okay, so daily around 40 support. weekly hammer at MA20. Okay, and monthly daily eliminating. Okay, uh, you can see about 39.55 there is a buy. Okay, buy about 39.55. Okay, so target is 42.50 and stop loss is around, okay, 38.5. Okay, so maybe around say 130 rupees is the risk and the reward is around 300 rupees. Okay, so it looks good on, this is a semi positional trade. Okay, so mind that it's a semi positional trade. Okay, now let's look at my favorite Reliance, which gave a breakout last week from the daily squeeze breakout and the band walk started. So fantastic with a very good volume. Right, so it's a good consolidation breakout on the upside for Reliance. Weekly also the flag setup has been triggered. You can see with the volumes now. So you can expect some movement, in the up direction. And monthly also crossed the shooting star or the bearish candle high. So now we don't have to bother anything on Reliance. Okay, it's doing its job. Okay, so it's a golden sector stock. Okay, all time frame. It's a golden stock. I'll just write that. Okay, everyone knows about what is a golden stock. Okay, golden stock. Daily squeeze breakout. Squeeze breakout, and I think Bandwalk is also there on all time frame. No, okay, and Bandwalk on daily and monthly. Okay, and flag initiated on weekly. Okay, so this is what Reliance is looking to me as. Okay, then let's pick up the other stocks. Maruti, let's see Bharti Airtel as well. Bharti Airtel has got some bullishness here. Okay, 33, 36. So there is a bullish divergence setup on Bharti Airtel. Okay, we need a confirmation on this. So buy above 500 or maybe 505 with the stop loss of this candle low, which is 490, for a target almost around 524 and maybe 537. Right, so this can be the targets now. Oh, it's awesome. Okay, it's really awesome setup because even weekly is at 40 support and lower band support. Okay, so if it confirms, it's going to be a good trade, and somewhere around monthly still around 60 and at CIP. Look at this. Okay, okay. So let me write for market. Five, five, six, 190. Okay, target is 5, 520, 525, 527. Okay. We get 40 support Okay, so this is where Bharti is. Okay, now let's see Maruti. Maruti monthly stable. Okay, we need it to cross, by the way, 73.50, because there is the resistance there and we need that to be crossed. So 73.80, 73.50. On closing basis, you can clearly see that the resistance is here on weekly. If I just draw a straight line from here, okay, you can see this support, breaking of support, resistance, 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 and that's why this has been resisted. A big breakout, a big Daya candle is needed here to break out. Weekly looks capable for that. Okay, so Daya को बुला सकता है ये आराम से 65 के ऊपर है RSI. But look at this. Okay, shooting star पे shooting star यार कलाकार. Okay, we wanted to have a breakout. Okay, so Maruti are daily small range, small range now upper band. Okay, daily and weekly about 60 and monthly looking bullish. Need a breakout about 7380 and closing. Okay, so Maruti, if it does daily band walk, it's going to be a great stock there. Okay, let's quickly look into other stock on this sector, Hero Moto. Okay, it's at 60 resistance now on daily, 60 support and a hammer on weekly, so there can be a chance of a breakout about this year's range. Okay, so about 32, 30,000, 3,030, we might see it coming up till 3,300. Okay, so this also looks good. And okay, this is at 60 resistance as well. So we need it to cross 60 on monthly so that it can rise above. Amara Bajaj, Amara Bajaj also making a hammer like candle at monthly. This is also doji. So there is many things similar to Nifty and Nifty stocks, by the way. And daily is around 40. So you can expect some movement in Bajaj Auto in this week. Okay, so Bajaj Auto also looks good. Let's see Escorts, which is at all-time high. Hey, Escort is selling bullion. Okay, so this looks little bit at resistance. Okay, so this, if the low breaks, can be shorted. Okay, and oh, there are wild movements in this stock in last few weeks. Okay, so I would just avoid it. It's been too volatile. And okay, this looks good on monthly. No bearish divergence started. So this also looks good. Okay, and let's see one of the tire company. So it's at daily at 40 support, weekly at 40 support, and a bullish Harami. Ah, MRF looks good. Okay, almost all time frame at 40 support. Okay, so that is where MRF is. And now let's see weekly. I think SDC Researcher. So let me just copy this. What I have to do fast. Okay, we have training at 10. So let me just look at HDFC Bank now. Okay, so bank has broken 20 mm. So it's a bearish pattern on even weekly, and we might see. So we are saying that Bank Nifty will have some downfall, and it's very clearly seen here. Okay, so it's a bearish formation on all time frames. Okay, daily resisting, 20, weekly bearish triangle. Excuse me. Close. doji at resistance, okay, and monthly making bearish counter attack. In making, because the current candle is still valid because the month is not over. Okay, quickly let's see ICICI Bank, doji at daily, doji over here as well on weekly. So monthly looks bad, but ICICI is okay on the other time frames. Access monthly is I think same for everyone, and this is taking first 40 support as well. This is also as doji at weekly. So this and ICICI looks good and close the gap. So now it has got a movement till 470 again. Okay, so this is one. We have ICICI and Axis maybe in favor. Okay. This again is around the same level. It's a price support by the way at 40 support. Okay, so looks good to me in Kotak. It's also at 20 MA support and price support are out here. And monthly is a very single thing right now. Okay, so monthly we have to close. Right, so this is where you see banking, and let me just see one finance, Bajaj Finance. So Doji at 20 MA at 60 resistance, that to hammer around 60 resistance. So this also needs to cross. There is a huge gap where it was resisted. Okay, and again this is coming to 60 resistance. So there is some sort of bearishness or some resistance for the finance company. Let's look at finally into the DRR. DRR is looking doji pe doji bana raha hai. So this also has got some breakout movement now anytime, and we might see a good breakout on this stock as well. Okay, let me see. The other time frame is taking 60 support and it is showing some bullishness now in this week. Okay, and it's still a 3 bar PRD. Okay, and if it confirms, it's going to be huge. Okay, it's a 3 bar PRD. Okay, so maybe in range, small range, maybe at 60 support and 3 bar PRD setup on monthly. Right, so BRR is looking good to me. Okay, let's look Cipla fast, fast, fast. Okay, not much. Okay, Doji at 60 again. So again, so this may be the week where we might see some movement again on the stocks. Okay, daily at 40 support, Oro weekly around 60 and a Doji, and same as with monthly. Okay, so that is where we are. And let's see Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma looks bad. Okay, I don't feel it's going to move up much. 060, and it's also in a small range. Okay, so that is where Sun Pharma is. Now let's see TCS and some IT stocks. IT stocks. Um, so we know it is bullish now. Okay, it's now band walk on daily and a breakout on even weekly with 60 support taken, and monthly took 60 support and now rising. Okay, so that is where it is, and it's about the range now. So there is a range breakout finally. Okay, the TCS consolidation buy about this was given to you. Hope you bought and made some money, right? Daily wedge breakout and band walk. Okay, weekly push 60 support and monthly Also range breakout. Okay, it's an all-time high and all-time frame above 60. So it's a diamond stock. Okay, it's a diamond stock would be. Okay, so you need to understand it's a diamond stock and not golden anymore. It's a diamond stock. Even this Reliance is a diamond stock. Okay, it's not golden. Sorry, it was my mistake out here. It's also a diamond stock. Okay, so both TCS and Reliance are diamond stock. Okay, and last finally, let's see. I'll see Infeed very quickly. I have a very less time. I have a training in next 4 minutes. So let's look. Okay, so this is at 60 resistance, 60 support, 60 support, 60 resistance. Okay, so there has to be a breakout now on Infosys as well. Okay, and last let's me see Hind Unilever. So Hind Unilever has taken 40 support on daily. Weekly is at 20 MA support and 60 support on monthly. Okay, so this also now looks good for another movement till 20 to 40 levels. Okay, daily at 40 and price support, monthly at 60 support. Right, okay, short of below and buy. So this is already been given to you. Okay, so this is where it stands as well. Okay, okay, so this is what it's already been doing, and I think it might trigger the buy above the. This is the reason to buy about 20 to 1/4 because we need the gap to be closed. Okay, we need the gap to be closed. Or you can trade now also till at least it reaches the gap. Okay, so there are the two things. And Asian Paint is the last I'll look into. Okay, so daily has got almost a dark cloud cover type of candle or a bearish counter attack, but it is at 60. Weekly is band walk, monthly is band walk. So this also looks good to me. But the only thing is between this candle and this candle there is a bearish divergence. Okay, but it is not between this and this. So I think it is fine. This and this has to be considered, and we don't have any bearishness right now, right? So thank you all. We'll end this session here, and we'll share the video in some time.